Calisthenics is a form of exercise that uses your own body weight to build strength, flexibility, balance, and endurance. Unlike traditional weightlifting, it doesn't require heavy machines or dumbbells. All you need is your body and sometimes minimal equipment like a bar or a bench. The beauty of calisthenics is that it teaches you control over your body, improves functional strength, and can be done anywhere, whether at home, in a park, or in a gym. For beginners, it's the perfect way to build a strong foundation and progress to more advanced moves over time. It's a full-body approach that trains multiple muscle groups at once, making your workouts more efficient and effective. For beginners, calisthenics is the perfect starting point because it allows you to progress gradually. You can scale exercises up or down depending on your strength, making sure you always challenge yourself without risking injury. Over time, even simple movements like push-ups, squats, and planks can become powerful tools to develop a strong, lean, and functional physique. Calisthenics also strengthens your joints and connective tissues, which protects you in everyday activities and other forms of training. If you're just starting calisthenics, the first and most important step is warming up and stretching. Many beginners skip this, but warming up prepares your muscles and joints, reduces the risk of injury, and makes your movements more effective. Spend 5-10 minutes on dynamic stretches like arm circles, shoulder rotations, leg swings, hip rotations, and light jumping jacks. This increases blood flow and primes your body for the workout ahead. Once your body is ready, you can start with pushing movements. For beginners, basic push-ups are perfect. If they feel too difficult at first, you can do incline push-ups against a wall, a bench, or even a sturdy table. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, building functional strength for everyday movements. Dips on parallel bars or a chair are also excellent to engage your triceps and chest, and they help improve shoulder stability. After pushing movements, it's time to focus on pulling movements. Pulling exercises develop your back, biceps, and rear delts, giving you balance and preventing posture issues that often come from only training pushing muscles. Beginners can start with assisted pull-ups using a resistance band or doing negative pull-ups, where you jump to the top of the bar and slowly lower yourself down. Inverted rows under a table or with TRX bands are another beginner-friendly option that helps you build pulling strength safely. Once your upper body is warmed up and strengthened, core movements are next. Core training is essential in calisthenics because your core stabilizes your entire body, improves balance, and supports almost every movement. Beginner exercises include planks, side planks, lying leg raises, and knee tucks. Focus on controlled movements and proper breathing. Your abs should feel engaged, not strained. Finally, leg movements complete the full body routine. Many beginners underestimate the importance of leg training, but strong legs improve overall strength, mobility, and aesthetics. Start with bodyweight squats, lunges, step-ups on a bench or sturdy platform, and glute bridges. These exercises target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while improving balance and coordination. For a complete beginner routine, perform 2-3 sets of each exercise with 8-15 reps, resting 30-60 seconds between sets. As you get stronger, gradually increase reps, add holds, or move to harder variations to continue building strength and mobility. Remember, consistency is key. Calisthenics is all about progressive improvement and mastering control over your body. Focus on form, take your time, and enjoy the process. Follow this routine regularly, and you'll build a strong, balanced, and functional physique that sets a solid foundation for advanced calisthenics moves. This is Bodybuilding India. Like, share, and subscribe.